Hi guys, this is Chef Pradeep. Welcome to our channel for one more interesting video. Apple pie is a very famous dessert and there are many versions of it. Now in this video we are going to make salted caramel apple pie. So watch the video till the end, it will be interesting. I'm going to make short crust dough. For that I have 25 grams of cold butter, 50 grams of powdered sugar, then 100 grams of refined flour. Now I am going to rub them like this. It's a rub-in method till it becomes like a crumble. Then we can add egg. I'm going to add half an egg. Initially, if I want, I can add more later. Also some vanilla essence. Now I'm going to bring them together without mixing too much. If you mix too much, lots of gluten will develop. That's not good for a short crust. Just gently bind them together. As you can see, this has come together. You should not knead it. So now I'm going to refrigerate this. Our short crust dough is ready now. Now we are going to make apple filling. I got 4 apples. I'm going to cut this into small cubes like this. Now it weighs around 250 grams. Let us make the apple filling. To make the filling, I am going to use 30 grams of salted butter. This is 40 grams of light brown sugar. Do not cook this together for a long time. It will start caramelizing after some time. So just melt it. As soon as it is melted, you can add the apple. We are adding the apple. Now apple will leave out lots of water, so we have to be cooking the apple till the water comes out and it evaporates. The apple cooks well. This apple which I am using is nice and firm, it's also sweet. It should cook to become soft. See how much water comes out of the apple. All that water have to be reduced. Cooked nicely. Water is reduced now. Apple has become soft. Now this is done. I am going to transfer this to a bowl. 3. We are going to make salted caramel sauce. Here I have 40 grams of sugar. I am going to caramelize first. We only need a little bit, so I am going to make. See, the sugar is caramelized now. I am going to add 20 grams of salted butter. This is salted caramel sauce. So just mix the butter. I am going to add a little bit of milk. You can also use fresh cream. Now I am going to add a pinch of salt in this. So our salted caramel sauce is ready. To mix this salted caramel sauce with the apple pie filling which we prepared, always check the sauce for saltiness. For me, this saltiness is fine. Before we put the filling into the apple pie case, this is the final addition, which is cinnamon powder. Now let us make apple pie. I have some molds. They are already greased with butter. I am also going to dust them with the flour, so it comes off easily. Many of you will roll the dough and then we will put it on top of this and then make a shape, but I do like this. I'll show you. I take some dough and put it in this, then I'll start pressing towards the end. See, like this. There's no rolling involved in this. Just try it if you like it. Then once it comes up, cut off the excess, and the dough is still more thick, so keep pressing one more time to make the sides more thinner. I think this thickness is fine. Now one is ready, 2 more to go. Now I am going to add the filling in all of them. Sure, you put the filling to that level. Now we are going to do the lace design on top. For that I am going to roll this dough. Sprinkle some flour. Then before you cut, always just run the palette knife underneath to make sure that it is not sticking. Then I'm going to use the knife to cut it. Or you can also use pizza cutter. Okay, now initially the big ones I'm going to cut it into half. Now I'll take one, and then on the sides I'm going to apply some egg wash, so this dough sticks well. If you are a vegetarian, you can apply milk. Now take one piece like this, just stick it there. See, just take it, bring it there, just cut it there on the side, so it sticks well. So easy. And same. Now once the bottom one is done, again egg wash on this. This is a lace design. Turn it around like this. Now on the opposite side. Again egg wash to finish. Now this apple pie is ready for baking. So now I'm going to do the same thing for the other two. All our apple pies are ready for baking now. You can see already it looks beautiful. Stay with me till the end. While tasting, I'll give you some more tips to get this apple pie right. So it's baking time. Putting it in the middle rack. It's set at 200 because it's a small oven, plus it's in the case, and it's setting at a bake setting. Apple pie is baked. This has taken 30 minutes. You can see it's done. See all the sauce coming out. Extra sauce. Still it will be juicy inside. Let it cool down before we taste it. So the apple pie is beautifully baked. Now I'm just going to show you inside. See, it's very juicy inside. The outside crust is very crunchy. Inside filling is soft, sweet, and as well as the salt which we have put is balancing it very nicely. And few tips to make an apple pie now. So if you are a vegetarian, if you don't want to use egg in the short crust dough, I would suggest instead of egg, use 1 tablespoon of cold water. And I have not used raisin in this. You can also use raisins.